What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom. And in the past couple of weeks we have seen a lot of images and the CAD renders from the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, but right now we have the first live images of this phone and hands-on experience of the smartphone. So before getting into this video, if you are new here, then consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. So now that you have done that, let's get started. The live images of the Galaxy S22 Ultra has been brought up by the Front Page Tech, and they have revealed a very good key details about the smartphone. As you can see that there is a very design of the smartphone which is inspired by the LG Velvet, and it has a 5 camera cutout over that, a single also for the flash cutout, and earlier we saw that the flash was missing, but actually the flash is over there, flash cutout. And not only that, you get a quad camera setup on this smartphone, which you get a 108 megapixel of a main camera, a 12 megapixel of an ultra wide, 10 megapixel of a 3x telephoto lens, and a 10 megapixel of 10x telephoto camera. Not only that, you will also be getting a laser focus on this smartphone with a dual tone LED flash. Now this smartphone is really a thick smartphone, and it's nowhere means it will be a easy to carry a light smartphone. It will indeed be a very heavier one, just like the Galaxy Note 22 Ultra. And not only that, what we also know about this smartphone, that indeed the sides of this phone are curved and they are not flat, as some of it was being speculated that it will not be having a curved display. Now the S Pen support will indeed be there, and it is on the left hand side of the smartphone, and the phone is pretty thick at this price at this point. And you also get a power button and the volume rockers on the single side only, and the punch hole selfie camera. Well, in the images it seems like the phone do have a noticeable chin at the bottom, and it's not as completely equal at all the sides. Now what do you think about this design of this smartphone? Are you into this design, or are you waiting for the proper Galaxy S22 Ultra, or are you satisfied with this smartphone with being the Note being integrated into this smartphone? Let me know your thoughts in the community poll and vote it out over there. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this, then give this video a thumbs up, thumbs down based on your opinion, and I'll see you in the very next one.